Hello guys, welcome back to Guy with Samuel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to archive and unarchive emails in Gmail. A quick and easy way to clean up your inbox without deleting anything important. Let's jump right in. Open your Gmail account in the desktop browser and make sure you're logged in. From your inbox, you'll see a list of all your incoming messages. Find the message you want to hide from your main inbox. Click the checkbox to the left of the email. This selects it. Then look at the top toolbar and click the archive icon. It usually looks like a folder with a downward arrow. Once archived, the message would disappear from your inbox view. But don't worry guys, it's not gone. It's safely stored in Gmail's All Mail folder, ready for access anytime. To recover a previously archived message, go to the left-hand side menu in Gmail, scroll down and click on More, then select All Mail. This view shows every message in your account, including those you have archived. You can now find your message by scrolling or using the search bar at the top. Type a keyword, maybe the sender's name or any info you remember about the message. Once you have located the archived email, select it by clicking the checkbox. Now, go to the top and click Move to Inbox. It usually looks like a tray or a folder with an arrow. That email is now back to your inbox, right where you can easily find it. Bonus tip: if you have archived something by accident, just click Undo on the small pop-up that appears right after. Gmail gives you a few seconds to reverse the action. And that's it guys. Archiving helps you keep your inbox focused, and unarchiving ensures you never lose track of your important emails. If you found the guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.